Turmeric. This much smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. This is sugar. Retoss. So nice and generously. Oregano. 3 tablespoons. Wow. Look at the color. Wow. Let's get into it.